Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover from seasonal sales slumps with AliExpress step by step clearly. Evaluate your current sales data to identify trends and patterns during seasonal sales slumps. Analyze the specific time periods when sales drop, pinpointing the reasons behind these declines. Explore your product offerings on AliExpress to find items that are popular during peak seasons. Consider diversifying your inventory by adding seasonal products that align with upcoming trends. Optimize your product listings by updating descriptions, images, and keywords to attract more customers. Leverage social media platforms to showcase seasonal items and engage with your audience. Create targeted advertising campaigns focusing on products that cater to seasonal demands. Utilize email marketing to inform your existing customers about new seasonal arrivals and promotions. Offer limited-time discounts or bundles to encourage urgency in purchasing during slower seasons. Collaborate with influencers or bloggers to reach wider audiences and drive traffic to your store. Monitor your competitors to understand their strategies and adjust your approach accordingly. Ensure your customer service is top-notch to handle any inquiries and build trust with potential buyers. Consider using AliExpress's dropshipping model to test new products without large upfront investments. Keep track of your inventory and adjust your orders based on sales performance and market demand. Evaluate the effectiveness of your marketing efforts and remain flexible to adapt strategies as needed. Implementing these steps can help you successfully recover from seasonal sales slumps and boost your overall performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.